it is actually a part of our class 11th chapter respiration, and this respiration chloride shift is very important. In this chloride shift there are two things which is very important. समझते विचारना ठीक. First thing is the tissue which carry the oxygen and do three type of the process. One is glycolysis, another is Krebs cycle, and the third one is ETS, electron transport system. When this type of the program is going to be carried inside the tissue, it produces a type of a thing that is called the carbon dioxide. Understood about one thing, oxygen is called as the hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is the substance which consists of iron type of the materials and iron, and that iron is responsible to collect the oxygen in our body and transfer it to different type of the cells and tissues. But when we come to the question of a carbon dioxide is actually not carried by the pigment, but it is transported in the form of a dissolved part. Means carbon dioxide can transfer in dissolved part, and the oxygen is only taken by the help of the pigment. The pigment is called as the iron. Iron is present in the hemoglobin. So the red color of the blood, that is erythrocytes, is because of the hemoglobin. Now the next thing is, when the carbon dioxide from the tissue is transported to the RBC, RBC consists of water. RBC consists of water. When it mixes with the carbon dioxide, it forms a physical form. That form is called as H2CO3. But this H2CO3 can only be formed by the help of an enzyme, and that enzyme is called as carbonic anhydrase. So carbonic anhydrase is a part of this program which forms H2CO3. Now this H2CO3 is inside the RBC. Inside the RBC is broken down into two parts. One part is called as HCO3 minus, another part is called as H plus. This H plus combined with hemoglobin and form HHB. It is a type of reduction division. It is a type of reduction process. Now this HCO3 comes out from the RBC and reaches to the plasma, because this plasma consists of one substance, one salt, that is called as NaCl. This NaCl is broken down into two parts. One is sodium, another is chloride. This Cl is minus in negative charge and sodium is in the positive charge. This sodium combined with HCO3 and form NaHCO3 outside the RBC. And when there is a less amount of negative charge inside, the chloride is moving inside the RBC, and this shift is called as the chloride shift. So chloride shift is the combination of two substances, tissue and RBC. But the main role is played by the help of the plasma, because plasma consists of electrolytes. Another one point, when hemoglobin is mixed with the amine group, NH2 type of the group, then the carbon dioxide takes the place of this amine, means carbon dioxide takes the place of this amine and form Hb plus N. H is there and COO negative is there, and one H is extract out in the form of H plus. This H plus you see here. Understood? This is called as the chloride